how to change the battery on key fob for Lexus RX Gen 3. In my particular case is pre-facelift. Most of the videos on YouTube showing slightly different way of how to open the key fob, which I find bizarre and wrong. Maybe my key fob is different to the ones on the video, but I'll show you how I do it on mine. We remove emergency key. Most videos showing that you need to twist it in here somewhere, which I find bizarre. All you need to do is turn the key so L is facing away from you, press it and slide it open. Then you have 4 screws, undo them, and in there we have a battery which is CR1632 type. That's it, and when you assemble it, all you have to do is slide it. It slides on the channels in there. Slide it back in, click it. That's it, job done.